Hello. So I'm going to talk about Honors 147, Introduction to Visual Art Practice. Nicole Wolf was in my class last semester and she's already cheering for it. So creativity is not something that you are either born with or born without. It is a skill that can be developed. So this course introduces students to various modes of art making in an effort to strengthen critical thinking and creative problem-solving skills. We explore printmaking, sculpture, performance art, experimental video art, digital design, all as tools for assessing the world around us. We will use art to critique our surroundings, ask questions, and brainstorm solutions to problems that we're facing. Using common, ordinary materials like paper, cardboard, tape, even our cell phones, we'll produce work that strengthens our creative and critical thinking skills and provides socio and political commentary on today's world.